Still confused about your career? What if I told you SBI will pay you to change lives and yours too? So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, I'm going to share you an amazing opportunity which is not just a job but a life-changing experience. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. We are talking about the SBI Youth for India Fellowship, and it's a 13-month long fellowship program where you'll be working and getting paid to. You will be working with the NGOs in rural India, and you'll be solving real world problems like education, environment, and livelihood. Now, how to apply? First of all, let's see who can apply for this program. So the criteria is divided into three categories. That is, one is the education. You must have completed the bachelor's degree, the BSc degree, or you must be, even if you are studying also, then also it should be completed by 4th of October 2026. Now they have the age criteria also, that your age must be from 21 years to 32 years of age. Okay. And you must be a citizen of India, Nepal, or Bhutan. Okay. And if you are from different countries, then you must have the NRI status or OCI status also. Now let's come to the application process. So it will be divided into two stages. Stage one is registration and online assessment. So first of all, you have to apply for this program, and then there you have to enter all your details, personal details mostly, and then they'll ask you some question. Mostly, I think it will be a kind of online proctored examination type of thing. Mostly it will be done proctored only, I think so. If you get any update, you can comment down below. Also, I will try to check it out. Now, stage two is a group exercise and personal interaction. So, if you have completed the stage one, okay, then you'll be moving for the stage two, and it will be a offline event. Means you'll be need to be present physically over there, and they'll be just filtering you. Okay, filtering people over there. After that, there will be a final selection. Means once you have completed the stage two, you'll be notified by email, SMS, and you'll be getting confirmation letter also by post. And then there'll be onboarding sessions. They'll be guiding you what you have to do, where you have to visit, all the things. Now, what fellowship support you are getting? You are getting monthly allowance of all these things, like 16,000 for meeting your living experience, means living expenses, 2,000 for transport expenses, means for traveling, 2,000 for project related things, and 1,000 for your personal learning. Okay, you'll be getting around 1.10 lakh. Okay, 1.10 10 lakh upon a successful and satisfactory completion of this program. Also, you'll be getting free ticket fares and a health and personal accident insurance policy. Okay, so you'll be assisted by the local NGO staffs also, and you'll be getting all assistance over there. So how to apply? You have to simply click on apply over here, and then just enable the location. And here you can see you have to watch this video entirely, then only you'll be able to click on next. But mostly if I just scroll over here, you can see that it will ask your personal details over here, and then you have to simply continue and submit it. It's very simple. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to me. So this was a quick update. Make sure to take part in this opportunity. Do not miss it, because it is very limited, and every year they have this program, and it is free of cost to participate. So why not give you a chance and get a part of the contribution to these opportunities? Okay, so thank you. Have a great day ahead.